Alright guys, I'm going to try this in my car. We'll see how it picks up. But Houston car stereo, we went with full JL audio, power, Hertz speakers in the front, the side front, and then we went with JL subs, which you cannot see, but they are back here. We have two 8-inch subs, but this, they absolutely killed it. So I'm just gonna jam out here, and if it's too loud, tough shit. Good God. Anyway, we'll see how that hopefully that don't bust your speakers up. I might sound like shit on YouTube, but absolutely gorgeous in the car. Houston car stereo killed it. But I will see y'all on the flip. I did get a stereo done in the Shelby, so whenever I get that back from PPF and ceramic coating, I'll do a walk around and a sound test in that. But anyways, y'all have a good one.